somewhere the same type of problem right now happening in this zone is with the Narmada Canal and some problems. So if you will start to think on that direction, believe me,
you can really work on it.
You can do lot better in comparison with the so-called government organizations.
Yeah, and why? Because presently the research is not happening, though the problem is there, everybody is aware about that problem, our country is facing so many others. But why people are not working? Because first of all, they are not of your age. So that potential is not with them. Secondly, they are permanently recruited. So they don't have any fear of losing the job. Country is not a priority for them. So therefore, they are not able to. But still, you people can definitely do it. You know, so many times it has been innovative stuff comes from your generation. So many times it has taken place. So you can definitely think about it.
Yeah, definitely. But it's literally, I am surprised in that way. Generally, we as a teacher so much talk about interdisciplinary approach develop करना चाहिए, interdisciplinary approach develop करना चाहिए. But it is a best example interdisciplinary. You people are just speaking about electricity, transformer, and wow, that's great.
Yes, the last group. Yeah. Okay, it saves energy. Fuel. How does it run? Yeah, but then how? Okay, you have to pull it manually from there. Then where is the solar panel? Right now you haven't used in this solar panel. Okay, so right now how we can use it? Through a man. A man has to pull it manually only. That's what you're saying? Right now you have done that only. Okay.
It's a bullock cart simply.
Yeah.
Let me tell you one beautiful thing about the bullock cart. It's a very informative. Bullock cart is one of the worst example of mechanical design. Do you know that? But it is one of the most successful in India.
In India. Yes.
Bullock cart is one of the worst example of mechanical design. Generally हम mechanical engineer ऐसे होते हैं जो डिजाइन में स्पेशलाइज्ड है. ये डिजाइन क्या बनाएंगे सर? फालतू से बुलोक कार्ड बनाया, बड़द कार्ड बनाया in that way. But that is one of the most successful in India, right? So somewhere such type of solution जुगाड़ will help. एक simple सी बताता हूँ बात. UNICEF and UNESCO working in the South Africa, and in one of the South Africa village there is nothing like no electricity. So these people are from USA, so they did some research on that. वहाँ पर क्या करेंगे? तो बड़ी-बड़ी MNCs आ गई and they started to solar डाल देते, wind mill and stuff like that. All such type of solution failed. One of the Harvard University students suggested one thing कि वो village कहाँ पर है? तो क्या पर? अच्छा, और nearest electricity कहाँ पर available है? तो कि 2.5 किलोमीटर पर. ठीक है, फिर हर रोज एक बंदे को रख दो विलेज में से पकड़ के, वो सबके मोबाइल लेकर जाएगा, चार्जिंग करके वापस आ जाएगा. That's what simplest solutions given. Okay, so such type of solutions that is situation based, constraint based is must. Right? 1 करोड़ रुपए लेकर तो कोई भी कुछ भी बना सकता है. 100 रुपीज में बनाओ, 1000 रुपीज में बनाओ. Then you will survive in this Indian economy environment. Otherwise, not. Right? This is what the stops. Good efforts, but I insist that you have to focus more. Right? And yeah, big round of